To keep up with today's fast-paced world, top-tier machinery is essential. In this episode of Machines Visit, we're diving into equipment that truly meets modern demands. Before we jump in, hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content like this. Let's get right to it. Here are some incredible, high-performance machines pushing the limits. JNBC 2200. Kicking things off is the JNBC 2200 automatic bridge stone block cutting machine from Jianing Machinery. This beast is built specifically for slicing granite blocks into precise slabs. Its sturdy bridge design and smart control system deliver rock-solid reliability even during the toughest jobs. Turning raw stone blocks into customer-ready slabs is no easy feat. The end result has to match exact specs every time. That's where the JNBC 2200 shines. It uses multiple blades of varying diameters that operate together for faster, more efficient cuts. It comes loaded with a hydraulic lift setup and oil-immersed guide rails on both the crossbeam and side beams for smooth, precise movement. The machine travels along the crossbeam to slice through the blocks. For easier handling and operation, it features a user-friendly PLC control system. BelAZ. Next up is the massive BelAZ mining dump truck, specifically the legendary BelAZ 75710, the world's largest with a payload of up to 450 metric tons. This monster hauls huge loads of rock in brutal mining environments, like deep open-pit quarries or large-scale mineral extraction sites. It handles extreme weather without breaking a sweat, operating reliably from -50 degrees Celsius to +50 degrees Celsius. Beyond mining, it's versatile enough for big construction projects. Think massive industrial buildings and hydraulic structures, highway building, and even heavy-duty processing in industrial plants. The truck uses a conventional suspension on front and rear wheels, with pneumohydraulic cylinders and dual hydraulic dampers per axle for superior stability and control. Cane harvester. Fun fact, sugar cane supplies about 70% of the world's sugar. That's why high-yield varieties are constantly being developed to meet huge demand. Enter the Jacto Hover 500 cane harvester, engineered to boost harvesting efficiency. This machine harvests 2 rows of cane at once, matching the speed of traditional single-row models, which means it can double output per hour. It includes an advanced ventilation system with dual blower fans for superior 2-stage cleaning, improving trash removal while saving fuel compared to older exhaust-based designs. The track width is perfectly sized to fit between standard cane rows, like 1.5 m x 1.5 m or 1.4 m x 1.4 m. Aligning with tractor and wagon paths to minimize soil compaction, up to 60% less than single-row harvesters. The cutting and feeding systems connect to the main chassis via articulated arms, creating a flexible harvesting platform that adjusts to ground contours for cleaner, lower cuts with less root damage. Diesel-electric endeavor. Your script cuts off here, so this one seems incomplete. If it's referring to a specific diesel-electric machine like a hybrid or electric diesel heavy equipment in construction/mining, feel free to share more details for the full rewrite. These machines are absolute powerhouses built for today's toughest challenges. Which one impressed you the most? Drop a comment below, and stay tuned for more epic Mighty Machines content. Rocket. Level with the DP2 diesel-electric endeavor, the Endurance from Belaski also has 7,500 DWT vessels with an overall machine structure that goes up to 99 meters in length. It also has a breadth of 30 meters and a design draft of 4.7 meters that are made perfectly for beaching. Apart from that, The standard outfitting of the endurance vessels includes a 6-point mooring system with 5,000-ton capacity turntable for worldwide cable-laying activities. Royal Mac H32. The Royal Mac H32 is known for its ZR-type folding system that comes with 4 sections, a 32-meter boom, and a 4-meter end hose. Its total working area is 32 meters per 3,215 meters squared of working area, with a total machine weight of 13 tons. It has a hydraulic oil tank with a 150-liter capacity and a 330 bar maximum system pressure. To ensure best results from the Royal Mac H32, it should be mounted on a building with its crawl space at the foundation level or with floor frames kept at a certain floor height. After securely attaching the machine, it will start increasing as the building rises, thanks to its hydraulic climbing system. Foreign. In picking the best dredger, one must consider the project's location, the type and depth of soil to be removed, and other factors that might affect the performance of the dredger. There's a wide range of dredgers out there, but one of the best ones out there is the Demon Cutter Suction Dredger. Capable of withstanding almost any of the mentioned factors, Demon has specifically built this dredger to be fully dismountable. Location is also never an issue for this machine since it was made possible that all of its components are transportable via truck or railway, potentially reaching all corners of the earth. If time for assembling is crucial, it can also be lifted and transported as one unit, hence making sure that it's delivered to any place anytime to meet the needs of your projects. You've now met the amazing and powerful machines operating at an insane level. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments section what you want to see next. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so you won't miss out on these amazing machines. See you in the next video.